It's your boy
Dash and
Dash.
Q.
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Ayo, Q.
Brian, all the
You
time,
feel?
you know me.
Great morning. It's your boy Dash and Q. And I'm back with another one that just came out. I'm about to cut this map on and see what it do today. What it do today. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what we get. All right. Great morning, people. First order of the day, Starbucks order. $5 for 4 miles. Wait, $5 for 1 mile. So let's get this order and keep on with the day. All right. So I dropped off the first order and then, I had to sit on my hands for about 10-15 minutes here and got a BK $6 for 2.5 miles. $6 for 2.5 miles. Let's get this shit. All right, here's that Burger Queen drop off. All right, we got this Panera Bread, $5.50 for 1 mile. $5.50 for the 1 mile. All right, here's that Panera Bread drop. Let's go back to the hot zone. Order. I'm not excited. $3.50 for 0.9 miles is not upside down. I just took it because it's not worth getting a decline, man. Not worth it right now. It's something that's you can do. You can knock it out fairly quick, 3-4 minutes. I'm not excited about it though. 10, where we going? Where is it at? Of course, it's the first floor, but you never know with these buildings. Hey, now we got an $8.50 for 3.5 miles. Panera Bread. This is one of my favorite places, despite what's been going on. It's been one of my favorite. They stay sending me good orders here, great orders all the time. So, hey, what's there to complain about? All right, we got that Panera Bread. The Panera Bread order. Oh, they got some doggy treats from Chewy. We're gonna put it right up here. Nope, no, we not. We'll put it right next to it. Hey, we got a Jersey Mike's order, $7.50 for 4 miles. Like, man, they ain't letting up on me out here, y'all. All right. Drop off at Panera. It says to hand it to me. Customer want me to hand them the order. All right, I got a Panda Express stacked order, $13 for 6 miles. And they added on another order, $5 for a mile. So, we own that. All right, we got a drop off from World Royal Tire. We gotta go ahead and get these folk their food. They at work, they hungry. All right, got the goods for you guys. All right, have a good one. Let's go. Taco Bell order, a $7.50 for 3.5 miles. $7.50, 3.5 miles. And no, the order is not ready, of course, fucking with Taco Bell. So I got the Taco Bell waiting on this order here. I got Tyler, but as I'm grabbing his order, they sent me another order. It's a $4 for an additional mile, so. I hear you loud and clear, y'all. Look. All right. Let's get this dropped off. All right, I got a Chipotle order. Chipotle. $6.50 for 1.7 miles. So let's go ahead and grab this. Keep smashing these goals. All right, we got this $6 for 1.7 mile Safe Light Auto Glass. Let's deliver this to this customer. All right, y'all, we had a slow start, but things have picked up. So I just dropped off that 650 plus order. It came out to 12. It came out to like 1250. But after that, I just got down the road and I was on live, but I ended my live because it keep on cutting off on me. And as I ended the live, I guess that was a sign I should have, because I got another 650 plus for 1.8 miles. The identical order almost. So
your destination is on the left.
there we go. We right here. So let's grab that order and keep on pushing. Another order, and we run back and forth, especially when the money is coming. We run right back like we left something. All right. Drop off for that $6 order. $6 plus, might I add. Which side they come? Okay. Crystal? All right, there you go. Nice big delivery.
Thank you so much.
All right, got an $8.50 for 3.5 miles Leanne Chin order. Probably grab this one and one more. And jeez. Jesus Christ. Now the last order of the day is Leanne Chin, $5.50 for 0.9 miles. It was a great day dashing today. I had no complaints. I ain't received too many bad offers. It came through for me today. I broke through, y'all. I'm at 73 acceptance rate, completion rate. Hey, hi. All right, y'all. We got the last drop of the day. The last drop of a sweet little dash. It was nice today. No, really hardly any bad orders. I got some, don't get me wrong, but for the most part, it was I enjoyed my dash. Y'all. So we're gonna end the day on a positive note. If I can find 226, shit, 224, and then skip to 300. What the fuck? Come on, man, are you kidding me? Look at this shit. Where's 226? Man, come on. Okay, now here's the right one. Now look, how they got her building 330, but look, it's not, you come on the opposite side, now they got this over here. This is 340, so why don't they have 340? Come on, baby, open the door, just talk to me. 226, 247, all right. This one. Two, 226. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. It's your boy Dash and Q. It's the last order, over and out.